Hey, what's up, fam? Today, I'm gonna get you in the game. Hey, we're gonna be making this right here. Some absolutely delicious fried gator bites. Yes, sir, you already see them. Hey, they golden brown. Hey, take a look at this right here. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm gonna get you in the game. The ingredients will be in the description box below, so you can go and grab those ingredients. Hey, fam, let's go down to this workstation and let's make these absolutely delicious fried gator bites. Hey, we got about a pound of gator tail, and we're gonna make some absolutely delicious gator bites. Now, you probably ask where I get this gator meat from. Hey, I get it from my local butcher, and you can probably find it in their frozen section, unless they do have some fresh, but most of the time it's packaged and it's frozen. Now I'm gonna get this washed up, rinsed up, and then we're gonna come back, get it seasoned, drop it in that hot grease, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious. But I'm gonna show you how to get in the game, fam. We got this rinsed off, and if you never worked with gator meat, the gator tail, it does come, you know, broken into pieces, but you do have like large pieces like this, which I'll split this in halves again, so it's a gator bite. Now you don't have to do that, but I'm just doing that so it can cook, you know, around the same time. You have like same bites, same size, right? And it's gonna make it easier to cook. So we're gonna get this, you know what I'm saying, trimmed up, same sizes, and then we'll be in the game. All right, so you probably wanna know, how does gator taste? And I'll be honest with you, you cook it up right, hey, it tastes just like chicken. Now, some people say, nah, it won't taste just like chicken. Hey, trust me, fam, if you cook it right, it's gonna taste like chicken. All right, now it's time to season these gator bites. I'm going in with some onion powder. And then I'm gonna go with some thyme. Now these are thyme leaves and not ground thyme. So just give it some herbal flavor. And then I'm gonna come back and baptize these gator bites in that baptized in Cajun seasoning. And then we're gonna do the backside. Hey, we're gonna be ready to go, get it floured up, and then we're gonna dump them in a little buttermilk wash and double dip. And we're gonna get that frying pan ready, heat it up to about 350, and we'll be in the game, fam. So I got me two working stations here. I got me a dry station, and this is about a half a cup of flour and Cajun seasoning, and we'll get that mixed in well. And then we're gonna have also our wet station. I'm going in with 1 egg and some buttermilk. And then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of hot sauce, about a tablespoon or so. We're gonna get this mix. Now what I wanna do with my gator bites, I'm gonna take them and I'm gonna put them in this flour first, right? Like so. Then I'm gonna come back and hit them with that buttermilk egg wash mixture. And then I'm gonna come back and hit it with that flour. And then I'm gonna do all of them like that. And then we got that fryer, like I said, ready to go. That grease is hot. Hey, we gonna be in the game, fam. So let me go ahead and finish getting these prepared, and then we're gonna throw these in that hot oil. All right, fam, we got this oil ready to go. And we'll get these gator bites in here. Now, halfway through the cooking process, I'm gonna flip these. And these are smelling absolutely delicious, man. Now, when you choose a nice golden brown color like this right here, hey fam, you are in the game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these out, put this on a paper towel, let these drain off. You wanna serve these hot. Get you a little sauce made up. I'll put one in the description below. Hey, we in the game, fam. Now, fam, you can make some absolutely delicious fried gator bites. And you already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to give this right here a taste test, and cheers, fam. Now that right there, fam, that is absolutely delicious. You can have a good sauce. Like I said, I got that in the description box below. But these by themselves, they're absolutely delicious. No sauce needed. But you already know, I love my hot sauce, and I love a little kick. This got the perfect amount of kick, perfect amount of flavor, and it tastes just like chicken, fam. These gator bites are absolutely delicious with that baptizing Cajun seasoning. Hey, you are in the game, fam. Yes, sir.